Hi, boys and girls. What I want to do today is just review how you can add together a 10 and any other number. All right. So we've talked this week about how we do that. So I want you to remember that when I'm talking about numbers, I think about what number's in the tens place and what number is in the ones place. So, first of all, one of the things that I can do is that I can draw the picture to go with the number. So I know if I have here the number 20, that I have two tens. So instead, I can just draw that as two tens and 0 ones. And 32, I have three tens and I have two ones. So to do this, I'm first going to add all of the tens together. So when I count it, I'm going to count by 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 50 plus how many ones do I have? Two. So I know when I add those together, I have 52. So 20 plus 32 is 52. 52. 29 plus 10. I can do the same thing. 10, 20, and then I have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then if I look here, I've got 110. Okay, no ones, so I don't have to draw it. So now I'm going to add together the tens first. 10, 20, 30, plus I have 9 ones that I drew. So that means 30 plus 9 is 39. Remember that 9 comes and goes right into that ones place of the 30. So if I have 29 plus 10, I have 39. Now, yesterday we talked about how we can break it apart. That I know that if I have four, I'm going to go to the one that doesn't have a number in the ones place, but if it doesn't have if it has a zero, I'm not going to break that one apart. But I'm going to break apart the one that does have a number in the ones place, so that if I know that this is my ones, this is my 10. I'm sorry. This is my tens place. This is my ones place. So if I have 110, I have 10. And 4 ones, I have 4. So when I add that together, first I'm going to add together the tens. So I'm going to say 1 plus 7 is 8. So then I put a 0 after it. Then I just have 4 ones because this one doesn't have any ones. 80 plus 4 is 84. So 70 plus 14 is 4. So which one am I breaking apart? I'm going to break apart 25. So if I have 25, I have a 2 in the tens place. So I have 2 tens, which is 20, plus 5 ones. So that's 5. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add the tens first. 2 plus 4, which is 6. And then I'm going to put a 0 plus, then I have my 5. So 60 plus 5 is 65. 40 plus 25 is 65. Okay. Now, I have talked a little bit about the other way to add these numbers together. That remember, I have to have my tens and my ones in a column. I'm going to say 17. It has 1 10 and 7 ones, plus 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones. Remember, when I write it like this, I have to start with the ones instead of the tens. 7 plus 0 is 7, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So my answer is 37. Okay? So I want you to be able to know, how do I break them apart? How do I do it like this? This is a different way to make it to do the problem, but I want you to show me that you know how to do it this way. I did send a text to your parents that if you're having trouble doing this online, okay, because you have to put it in that text box and put it in that spot. This page that you need to do for today is in your workbook with the bears on the front. So go to that and you can do that and take a picture of it and send it to me if you're having trouble doing it online. But if you can do it online, then go ahead and do it online. All right. So we'll continue talking about adding two-digit numbers next week. So it's exciting because that means that you're getting bigger and ready for second grade. Everyone have a great day.